Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that make your self-care moments feel truly luxurious. Today, we're looking at Nair Lux Wax, a microwavable hot waxing kit designed for women, promising smooth, stripless hair removal for legs, underarms, and bikini areas, all from the comfort of your own home. This set comes with a 7.5-ounce wax pot, a spatula for precise application, and 2 post-waxing wipes to complete the experience. The formula is dermatologist tested and claims to remove even short hair as little as 2 millimeters, leaving skin touchably smooth for up to 4 weeks. It's the #1 hot wax formula in France, and it heats in the microwave to a shimmery gold with a soft, sweet gardenia scent that adds a spa-like feel to your routine. When I tried this wax, the process was straightforward. Microwaving the pot was quick, and the wax spread easily in thin layers over clean, dry skin. The texture is thick enough to grip hair, but smooth enough to glide evenly, which is key for stripless waxes. I tested it on legs first, then underarms, and finally a careful run on the bikini area. Hair removal was effective, even on short regrowth, and the skin felt soft afterward thanks to the included post-waxing wipes. One thing I noticed, because it's stripless, technique matters. Pulling the wax correctly ensures optimal results and reduces discomfort. The pros are clear. It's convenient, easy to heat, effective on short hair, and gives a luxurious at-home experience without disposable strips. The gold shimmer and gardenia scent add a sensorial touch that makes waxing feel indulgent rather than chore-like. On the downside, beginners might need a practice run to master the stripless technique, and the pot size may require reheating for larger areas if you prefer thicker layers. In terms of value for money, considering the quality of the wax, the effectiveness on short hair, and the spa-like feel, it's reasonably priced for anyone looking to skip salon visits. Compared to other at-home wax kits, Nair Lux Wax stands out for its stripless formula and ease of use, although larger kits or multi-packs might offer more convenience for frequent users. The build quality is solid. The wax pot is sturdy, and the spatula is comfortable to hold, which matters when applying wax precisely. The post-waxing wipes are gentle on skin and feel effective at removing any residue. If you're new to at-home waxing, this kit is a strong choice. Though for those on a tighter budget, there are other microwavable waxes that work well, but may lack the luxe scent or gold shimmer effect. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Nair Lux Wax delivers a reliable, luxurious waxing experience at home. It removes hair effectively, even short strands, and leaves skin smooth for weeks. Perfect for anyone who values convenience, effectiveness, and a touch of pampering in their self-care routine. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. The link to purchase the wax is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.